Hi there, I'm Andrea, and in the last video, you learned how to set up and clean your Ninja NeverClog 3-in-1 juicer, slicer, and shredder. Now that your unit is ready to go, let's make some juice and prep some ingredients. Cold press juicing is a delicious way to get essential vitamins and nutrients your body needs, and it tastes great too. Today we're making my favorite cold pressed green juice. You need 1/2 green apple, 1 cup pineapple, and 3 stalks of celery, all cut into 2-inch pieces. To start, if you haven't set up your unit to juice yet, make sure it is unplugged. Insert the auger into the feed chute chamber, then attach the desired filter onto the auger with the wider portion of the filter on the bottom of the auger. For this recipe, I'm going to use the gray less pulp filter. Then, attach the pulp spout to the feed chute chamber by installing at an angle on top of the filter and turn counterclockwise to lock in place. Ensure the arrow and lock icon are aligned. Then, install the assembled feed chute chamber on the motor base at an angle, then turn counterclockwise until it clicks into place. Place the food tray on top of the feed chute. Then, make sure the pulp container is under the pulp spout. This will catch all the pulp. And place the juice jug under the anti-drip lever on the feed chute chamber to catch your fresh juice. Make sure the anti-drip lever is open before you start juicing. Now that the juicer is set up, plug in the unit. Press the start and stop button to turn the juicer on. Gradually add your fruits into the feed chute, but let the unit process each ingredient before adding more to the feed chute. You can use the tamper to push the ingredients down through the feed chute. If the feed chute becomes blocked or ingredients stop processing, you can press and hold the reverse button. Listen for a beep and a brief pause. Then the auger will rotate direction. Release the reverse button to stop, and press start and stop again to resume juicing. When you are all done juicing, press start and stop to stop the unit and close the anti-drip lever to prevent drips. When you're ready to disassemble, unplug the unit. Then, press and hold the release button while turning the feed chute chamber clockwise and removing it from the motor base. Remove the pulp spout from the feed chute chamber by turning clockwise. Then, remove the filter and auger by gently pulling them out of the feed chute. Now, all parts can be tossed in the top rack of the dishwasher. Now that you've mastered juicing, let's meal prep a crunchy salad using the slicer and shredder blades. The food prepping functions save me so much time and effort in the kitchen. For my salad base, I'll need 1/4 head of red and green cabbage, 1 red bell pepper, 3 medium carrots, 3 green onions, and 1/2 bunch of cilantro. If you don't remember how to set up your attachments, let's walk through it again. Make sure the unit is unplugged while you assemble. Let's start by inserting the slicing blade into the food prep chamber by dropping in and connecting slots until you hear a click into place. Attach the dispense chute onto the food prep chamber by turning counterclockwise to lock in place. Use the indicators on the dispense chute to assist. The dispense chute locks the blade into place, so ensure it is properly locked. Then, install the assembled food prep chamber on the motor base at an angle and turn counterclockwise until it clicks into place. Place a bowl for your salad under the dispense chute to catch the ingredients. Now plug the unit in. Press start and stop to power the unit on. Add your veggies to the feed chute, 1 piece at a time. Use the tamper to press the pieces down through the feed chute and into the salad bowl. Now to use the shredder, you will need to disassemble to swap blades. Unplug the unit, press and hold the release button while turning the feed chute chamber clockwise and removing it from the motor base. Remove the dispense chute from the food prep chamber by turning clockwise. Remove the slicer blade by gently pulling it out of the food prep chamber. Then, add the shredder blade into the food prep chamber by dropping in and connecting slots until you hear a click. Reassemble the unit and plug it back in. When it is all set up to start shredding, press start and stop and add the carrots to the feed chute. Use the tamper to press the pieces through the feed chute and into your salad bowl. Once all vegetables have been sliced and shredded, toss them together to evenly combine. Then set aside and add your favorite dressing and toppings. And there you have it, a fresh, delicious salad made with your Ninja NeverClog 3-in-1 juicer, slicer, and shredder. For more inspiration and tips, visit us at sharkninja.com.